Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today is Thursday the 16th. There, Liam's here.
16.
Last, and it's, what time I say? It's 1:26. And right now it is 93 degrees, 63% humidity. That is hot.
63%?
Yes, 63. The big 63. Well, we worked on the wall, the Great Wall of Brent. Worked on that today. Got the black finished, and tomorrow we will start on the cement part. See, we got it all done. We got the other side done too. Yeah, it's a hot day. Nothing really going on. Just sitting out here. Well, I wasn't sitting out here. I was sitting inside where the air conditioning was. Hope everybody's doing good, staying out of trouble. So I'll show you the other side, so y'all won't think I'm lying. Ugh. Yep, it's noon. Everybody's in hibernation mode. Yeah, I had to put my... Let me finish this and then I'll tell you. So you got this side done. Tomorrow morning I'll have a look over, make sure we got everything, didn't miss any spots. We got all that done. It only took us like an hour and a half, 2 hours to do it. The inside was a lot easier. Yeah, all right, today started to take Miles out for a ride on the motorcycle because we were going to go to the Yellow House, see to pick up some stuff. Got maybe down this road towards the end, made a left, and the motorcycle just stopped one and quit, died. Luckily there's a motorcycle mechanic about a 5-minute push, yeah, because I had to push the motorcycle, a 5-minute push from us, from where the motorcycle stalled. Push it to him, he's looking at it now. So maybe later on I'll video going down there and getting it. Ooh. It's got over half a tank of fuel. Alright, I'll cut out now, and then when I go walk down there, I'll go ahead and video that. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye. Well, the motorcycle guy just gave me a yell. The motorcycle's done. What it was a clogged fuel line. I don't know, man. Never ending. Never ending. I don't drive the motorcycle that much too, so I take it out maybe once or twice a week, if that. So I'll go pick it up. It cost me 250 pesos, about roughly $5 for him to fix it. I'm still working on the
Vlogger, bro?
yeah.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah. Yeah, they've been working on that for like a month. I have no idea what they're doing now. I know they resurfaced the floor. In other words, put new concrete down, smoother. I don't know what they're doing to that canopy above. Yeah, so it's only like a 5-minute walk. He's he's a independent guy. He's got a little fuel pump, a storage tank, with fuel, diesel and gas, regular gas. He's got a little shop. He's reliable, that's why I go to him. And he's not a scam. He's really honest about the work he does. And he doesn't surprise you. In other words, he never gives you how much it's going to cost, but he just says, look at it, and he'll text me, let me know what has to be done. And he also lets me know the cost. And then I'll write back, either give him a thumbs up or an okay. And he does the work. So I don't know if he minds me using the video on them, but we'll find out, right? Hey, how you doing? Yeah, hey, sorry for that brief end to that one video when I walked in the motorcycle shop. He really wasn't comfortable being videoed. He has his reasons. I didn't ask. I just said, okay, no problem. Like I said, it was a fuel line. I don't get it. I don't know. I don't know if it's I don't always get my gas from there. So last time I got it from another place, which I really don't like to get it from there because they suck their tanks dry, fuel tanks dry, and you hear bad things about dirt and everything in the fuel. But that's all I got, and thanks for watching. And I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Love yous. Have a great day. Bye.